Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Toyota RAV4 XLE all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9313XX. 38,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Magnetic gray in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This XLE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power moonroof, large easy with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen Entune infotainment system, 4 radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course the backup camera display is dual-zone automatic temperature control, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those mobile media devices, automatic transmission, manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box, and power moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, this RAV4 has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 176 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.